So my G's them, look who is here again. And they look like him bring friend. So you don't know, me have theme things them here, so ready theme. Yo, me know you see it, you know. Me know you see it. Ready, though. Ready, though. Me know you see it. 2 loaf of bread, ready and perfect food. What you want again to you? Boy, ready? Alright. Let me open this for. Yo, no come in here, me no want. Yo, wait no man, how you deal with me, son? You bring your lady friend today? Hmm? But the fighting, you know. All the way there live as one. But the fighting. Remember your woman. About the yo. And the cancer when I get something good in the morning. I say, what it more you say, you know? You good though? Otherwise run this, you good, Michi? Saying good, man. Are you lady that though? Mums, boy bring you come at dinner. You're smart, you're fine girl and you bring come on my place. You're smart, but you're craving though, you have to give woman some of my food. You're the one there, so you want the son name up everything you're craving. Big up on yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, in the early morning, yeah, don't know, but there. You know, cook up little saltfish. Little. Couldn't bother cut up no sweet pepper and him something and if you pretty it up. So I just saw it a bit today. Over here so now you have some cartwheel and some pumpkin. Well, piece of pumpkin and some cartwheel. But when I say cartwheel, I mean cartwheel. Look there. You know my dumpling never healthy. Look on the one here. Me Jesus. So my food done right now. You know what I mean? Cut up a dumpling, pumpkin and everything. Traverse right there above the touch road. Hitch up on the bike, look at man, hitch up man. So vlog realm, as you can see, Mell is outside. Hey sisters!
Hey brother, give me hugs. We have made it.
You made it.
Right.
You're blue screaming for you guys. Travis is finally here now, guys. What?
What are you getting?
Travis.
Not one day.
Travis, I will get tattoo full of
Not
the
one
one.
day.
You can't do it in one day, man.
We have weed brown
In one sittings.
We have weed brown.
Not in one day.
So that you have to take before? Them probably still now. A long time we have them couple days back. We have them around 6 days now. Yo, eat up all of that.
Boy. I feel glad. So me have 4 of this. Me not ready back to this. Me done.
You done for your day?
Yeah, man, me done.
So guys, we're just here chilling, you know what I mean?
Wow.
That's Megan. Not Megan is Stallion, but Megan. Which kind of shit like me? And you have Meg. Or sister, Meg.
I'm back.
Yeah.
I'm visiting.
We're about to work on something. Don't come in here with your weight set. Don't come. Mommy said, don't come in here, your weight.
No, leave it. I mean, where's he or she?
Mister, your weight.
Come on, be nice, be nice, be nice.
He's going to wet the bread.
Be
What you
nice.
want, man? Jesus Christ. I think she found it on mood now.
You know, say no.
Oh my gosh, hey Ducky. Hey Ducky.
I wonder when it tastes cool.
This your heaven.
Oh my god.
Megan, you wouldn't curry this right now.
Quack, quack, quack.
I have to go vacuum long
You're
here.
a top chef, you know, me know you can't clean this up right now and put on a but yo, Bubba, sorry, we have to go kill him.
Yo, look how more Jesus Christ, man, like you know.
Oh my god.
Yes. Nah, dear.
You know.
Yo, me G.
You know, say lucky. You think
Yeah, he knows. He knows.
I still a eat.
Can you open the door so yo, Thomas? Open the door before he attacks. Open the door before he attacks.
And you might go by it first.
Oh my
Hey, Mell full of food, you know.
Come, walk back to yourself.
Hey, Mell full of food.
This is a beautiful.
Chairman, after me wipe the place.
Before your wife.
Me wipe the place. I'm fucking me, man. Jesus. I have to say no freaking like that, you know.
Yeah, fuck you.
Vacuum.
Yo, you want to see trouble in ya?
Me never expect you to finish him up like that one.
Yo,
You shit down.
you lick your shit out of him.
Yeah, go clean up that.
You lick your shit out of him.
No, it was an accident. Yo, me never mean to lick you now.
Open that.
Me afraid to go back there.
Okay, it's quiet. Just quiet.
I see them do it.
So, Jesus.
If you just
No, let me interested.
he got mad.
Don't. Wait, God. Geese got chopped in the house.
I think we're loud. So
Don't
like,
come over here.
no, he got mad and he said, no, I'm gonna shit party on the couch.
Come.
You must still have feed the man to bomb, man. You know easy, a man still have show bread geese up.
Again.
It don't make no sense because I go clean the one day. So cleaning two more than one don't make no sense. Throw over the so go over two now.
No.
They can feed him out the hand, you know.
If
He not go so far. He not go so far.
Man, shit on the carpet for pussy, lad.
because you hit him.
No,
You lick this shit out of him.
Digest.
So where you run and go?
Mike, I'm afraid of them for you. That's too ugly.
Don't listen to me, Agisi. Where you going? Alright, so right now at time again. So I was about to get in tattoo. Boss over here, so sketch it up. Nice, you know? Twani in the building. Honda. Mell no want vlog. Me I go tell them Mell forgot to vlog. Mell reach here 2 hours now. And Mell just a start vlog.
Give them an Instagram.
There was something there, you didn't see it?
I'm here for God.
One thing. When you go check him out, I got a tattoo thing. You dog forward to him and do it mad. So I'm stay tuned for this. Me I brace myself. Birthday Sunday.
Yeah, amazing. See man I eat all edibles.
No, you know what this is?
He's high.
A high much I get high. Rice crispy. Crispy rice.
Relax.
Yo.
It's rice crispy.
Yeah, tasty.
Edibles.
Tasty, no?
Edibles.
You crazy?
Come on, them up play around with my food after your video, man.
One grain.
And you're gone.
1 grain.
Stay away from you. Stay away from you. I have to stay away from you.
Come on, them around with my food, so.
I zoom in. I not go close to it again.
Laugh. Me that laugh too. Man say me receive your bad, me a laugh.
Yeah, I just want to say blessings and respect to everybody who followed out and support it on next vlog. Look at that anyway in the world, like me always say, but on the right so we do it. Mell in the place, as you can see, our sister in the place to Megan, Twani there. We're gonna finish the vlog right now. Chabas in there get a tattoo right now. So we just wrap up the vlog, yeah. I'm gonna get it in idea, yeah. And then we just start vlog so we can have a vlog for watch tomorrow. So remember, always leave a like and always leave a comment. If I feel even if you say big up me to use them, so blessings and respect. Mad move.
Hold on then, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. You know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.